Hello everyone. Today we will tell our abilities as well as possibilities of action, whether we can do that or not.
Welcome to RPN, and it's time to learn with RPN. Let's think and speak English.
आज हम किसी इंसान की किसी काम को लेकर क्षमताओं और संभावनाओं को बताएंगे। अगर आपको बताना है कि आप या कोई और किसी एक्शन को कर सकते हैं, प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर somebody can action। जैसे मैं आज जीत सकती हूँ, I can win today। हम वो काम कर सकते हैं, We can do that work। तुम हमारे साथ आ सकते हो, You can come with us। वो मेरा नाम रोशन कर सकती है, Here is an action, किसी का नाम रोशन करना। It means make someone name famous। So please say here, she can make my name famous। Let's do practice here. Here are some structures. Here is action. Raise voice against corruption. Please practice like I can raise voice against corruption. We can raise voice against corruption. He can raise voice against corruption. She can raise voice against corruption. They can raise voice against corruption. You can raise voice against corruption. Anna can raise voice against corruption. My brother can raise voice against corruption. Here are some more actions. Please pause the video and do the practice as I did. अगर आपको बताना है कि आप या कोई और किसी एक्शन को नहीं कर सकते हैं, प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर somebody cannot action। जैसे तुम यहाँ नहीं बैठ सकते, You cannot sit here। हम इसे बीच में नहीं छोड़ सकते, We cannot leave this in the lurch। वो ये काम अब नहीं कर सकती, She cannot do this work now। मैं उसको नहीं मना सकता, Here is an action, किसी को मनाना। It means persuade somebody। So please say here, I cannot persuade him। Let's do practice here. Here are some structures. Here are some more actions. Please pause the video and do the practice as I did last time. Now we will talk about abilities and possibilities which we missed in the past. अगर आपको बताना है कि आप या कोई और पास्ट में किसी कारण से किसी एक्शन को नहीं कर सके, प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर somebody could not action। जैसे वो उस दिन जवाब नहीं दे सका, He could not answer that day। मैं वहां कल नहीं पहुंच सका, I could not reach there yesterday। पुलिस अपराधी को रंगे हाथ नहीं पकड़ पाई, Here is an action, किसी को रंगे हाथ पकड़ना। It means catch somebody red-handed। Please say here, police could not catch criminal red-handed। Let's do practice here. Here are some actions. Please pause the video and do the practice as I did last time. Let's go to the next section. Now again we will talk about abilities and possibilities related to past. अगर आपको बताना है कि आप या कोई और पास्ट में किसी एक्शन को कर सकते थे, प्लीज यूज अ स्ट्रक्चर somebody could have action plus third form. जैसे मैं वहां समय पर पहुंच सकती थी.
I could have reached there in time.
तुम मैच जीत सकते थे.
You could have won that match.
वो पुलिस से बच सकता था, लेकिन बच ना सका. Here is an action. किसी चीज से बचना. It means escape from something. Please say here.
He could have escaped from the police but could not escape.
Let's do practice here. Here are some actions. Please pause the video and do the practice one by one. Let's go to the next sections for couple of daily use sentences. कई बार हम कुछ ऐसा देख लेते हैं या सुन लेते हैं जिस पर विश्वास नहीं कर पाते. Here is first line. वो सब देखने के बाद मैं अपनी आंखों पर विश्वास नहीं कर सका. After seeing all that, I could not believe my eyes. Here is next. ये सब सुनने के बाद मैं अपने कानों पर विश्वास नहीं कर सकी. After listening all this, I could not believe my ears. Let's go to the next sections for word for a person. Here is a person, अंधों में काना राजा. It means कम बुद्धिमान लोगों में अधिक बुद्धिमान होना. It means a figure among cipher. A figure among cipher is a person who is more intelligent among less intelligent people. Here is an example. ज्यादा खुश ना हो, आप सिर्फ अंधों में काने राजा हो. Don't feel so happy, you are just a figure among cipher. Let's go to the next sections for idioms and proverbs. The proverb for the day is जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. It means जो ज्यादा बोलते हैं वे कुछ करते नहीं हैं. The English of this proverb is barking dogs seldom bite. Here is an example. चिंता मत करो और उसे नजरअंदाज कर दो. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. Don't worry and ignore him. Barking dogs seldom bite.
It's time to practice. Please pause the video.
Thank you guys. Have a nice time.